Maris Racal, a Kapamilya actress, broke her silence on the scandal between her and co-star Anthony Jennings. The Incognito star told her side of the incident and apologized for what transpired the week before. Screenshots of her private chat with her on-screen partner appeared on social media, published by the latter's ex-girlfriend, Jamela Villanueva. The screenshots have been erased, but several internet users have already saved copies. Maris described her reaction when she saw the intimate chat being shared among multiple netizens. "When I read it, I was gutted. I was shocked. I'm truly embarrassed dahil nakita lahat ng tao yon without my consent, against my will," she shared. The Kapamilya actress revealed that she was kept in the dark about Anthony's relationship with his ex-girlfriend of more than 7 years. "This is my side and I've been reading the screenshots. Doon ko napagtagpi-tagpi ang lahat. Kaya pala hindi siya makarelease ng statement dahil sila pa pala this whole entire time. I didn't know. I was in the dark. I had no idea," she added. Maris became tearful and apologized to everyone who had been affected by the incident. She stated that she did not wish to be the victim of the story and accepts full responsibility for what occurred. To the public, "I am sorry you got to see that very intimate side of me. Ganun talaga ako pag nagbigay ng pagmamahal. It was supposed to be private. It was supposed to be a private, intimate thing," she said. "I'm sad na nakita yun ng tao and yes, I don't want to play the victim here. Nagkamali din talaga ako. I want to say sorry to those people I have hurt. I reached out to Jam last November and I didn't get a reply," she continued. "I'm truly sorry to those people who supported me for 10 years. Alam nila lahat na ginapang ko yung career ko mapunta lang saan ko gusto. Ginawa ko lahat. Pinaghirapan ko lahat sa tulong nila. Nagagawa ko yung mga gusto ko," she shared. She admits to feeling uncovered every time she goes out and is really embarrassed of what occurred. "I don't know where I'm gonna go. I don't know saan ako papunta. Yung dignidad ko, hindi ko na mahanap. Wherever I go out, whenever I walk, I feel like a naked woman walking. I'm so embarrassed and I'm sorry you get to see that," she apologized. Maris reassured her followers that she will keep going forward because she is only human and will learn from her mistakes. "I can assure you tuloy pa rin ako. Tuloy pa rin ang laban. Magtratrabaho pa rin ako kahit mahirap. Hindi pa rin namamatay yung apoy sa puso ko. What you saw was not a perfect human. I'm far from being perfect. What you saw was a human being and I really am just a human being," she ended her statement. What do you think about Maris Racal's side of the story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is Sean, reporting for Starbiz.